Hey, what's up? Picked up this original Sony PlayStation. Button was sticking, the open button, and it wouldn't lock back down. You know the deal. So, there's 6 screws on the back, Phillips head. Everybody's got a Phillips head. Take them out, and the top comes right off. So, cleaning it, take off the 2 screws. Cleaning all the plastic didn't do it for me. So on the back side of this metal right here, it was kind of all rusted and the plastic piece wasn't rubbing good on it. So I took file, rubbed some of the rust off. I mean, you see this side, the other side pretty much looked the same. Filed it down, still didn't work. It was still sticking. So what I did is I took a little bit of this. This is dry lube. Put it in there. This part right here, where that little cylinder hits the plastic, rubs up against there. Put it on there. Now, this stuff won't collect dirt and dust and grime. So, we'll see how well it works. I mean, as of now, as you can see, it doesn't stick. So far so good. Hopefully that helps you.